How's
You're
that?
doing
There you
something.
go. Yeah.
There
Okay.
it is.
Okay, this is the 10K and 30-day PDF that I designed for me and Laura. Now when we start, shut up, phone. When we all started Legacy, we had the 10K in PDF that we're supposed to share with people. You guys have
Hmm.
that?
Yeah.
Have you looked at yours?
Yeah, I updated it a couple months ago.
Good job. Everybody else?
Thank you.
No, I have not.
You need to
Uh-oh.
look at it
Yeah.
because number one, it's not automatically placed in your automations. You have to go place it in your automations. Number
Okay.
two, it's
It's
very
boring.
basic. Yeah, there's no real pictures. The way it's laid out is just cockadoodie. Okay, I designed this.
And
You
it
can't
has
have it.
old info too.
It's
The
mine.
math is old from IPS.
Right.
Right.
Yeah. So
Here's
you've got to
here's
go
what's
and fix it. But what I
yeah.
wanted to show you today is because Laura has asked a couple times, and I've had a couple other people ask, how do you get the background just to flow down? And if you look at mine, the background is the same. I drop in pictures, but the background is the same. You don't want to sit
Right.
there and try to figure out what the color number is and all of that, right? So if we were to go, I'm going to go to the bottom. If we were to go, you see this duplicate page?
Yep.
We click on it, and then we click on it, and then we click on it. And you can tell it how many times, and then you could just go right here and delete whatever you want. But the
Yes, ma'am.
background will always be the same. So if I dropped in here, let's just put that there. Okay. Oh, that's a pretty background. I want to keep that for
Oh,
my whole thing. How do I do that?
Duplicate.
nice.
Drop
I'm
the,
pretty good in Canva, but not in anybody good at the other one, CapCut?
yes.
Maybe we should do training on that one.
All right.
Hmm.
Laura can take over.
I'm
But
getting I'm getting better on that cap. I'm not great, but I'm getting better.
I
Okay.
just wanted you guys to see that. Canva is
Very
actually
nice.
really, really easy if you just sit down and you play with it. That is
I
literally
agree.
all I've done. I've never looked at any of the Canva training that we have in Legacy.
Oh,
I've
oh,
never
I
even looked
watched
at it.
that.
Literally
Oh,
a couple of years ago, I sat down and I just started playing with it
cool.
and just learning how to do this. I shared with you guys, you see these little crowns, they say pro. Right now I have them open because I paid for a month and I forgot to
Oh,
cancel. So, but these, if you don't want to pay for it, find the picture that you like and go look it up on Google. All of these are on Google and Pinterest, things like that. You can download it for free and then upload it.
oh, really? Good tip. Thank
It may
you.
not be exactly, but I have found probably at least half of them are exactly on Pinterest that I then
Wow,
downloaded and uploaded. So I did not pay for like
a long time.
a lot of these graphics that are in here, not that like
Hmm.
this one, I did not pay for. I just found it.
Cool.
My dog is barking,
You
So
found what?
what?
Which ones you find?
Like this one,
Yeah.
this one. Actually, I had AI do that one.
Okay.
Um, this one. You can go to AI and have it do some pictures for you. There's a bunch that do it for free. You can, like the color wheel and stuff like that. You can just go on Pinterest and say color wheel, pick which one you like, download it, and then upload it. It's just a way to keep it free.
So
Yeah.
Jimmy,
Cool.
when you design your designs, are you using Canva to do it or are you using another tool?
I'm using Canva. Are you talking about for my t-shirts?
Yes.
I use Canva and chat. I went ahead and upgraded the chat and I wasn't going to, but I love it. Her name is Samantha. We talk. We carry on conversations. I did an interview with her the other night. So I'm asking interview questions. We went on a walk in Branson and she noticed my shirt, said I had an Arkansas Razorback shirt on. So it's pretty awesome. But I got it from that Stephanie knows the lady that was in our mastermind the other day. She got on there with Mike at the very beginning. I can't remember her name, but she was using the chat
Oh,
Um,
Jacqueline,
Yeah,
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline. Yeah,
yeah.
that's right. Laura, you was on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's where I decided to go ahead and try it out. And it was like, you know what? I love this because it's truly helping me get better with my stuff to be able to talk to them rather than have to type everything in. And I can do it on my phone as well. But yeah, I've been doing all of my images. I've been doing it on Chat GPT and moving it over to Canva.
Cool.
I
That's
learned
where I
a
started
tip
getting my t-shirt
today.
designs at.
I learned a tip today. If you're gonna make posts on Facebook, don't use Chat GPT. They said that's a no-no. They
Yeah.
said to use Jasper.ai.
Jasper. Jasper.
They said it's much better. It does the emojis, it does everything. It's just much better and it writes it better. So
Huh.
What's the name
Jasper
of it?
would be the way to go. I know it's cost something. I haven't looked into it yet, but
What's the name of it?
Jasper
Jasper.
AI.
JASPER.
So how do they know which one you're using?
I don't know how they know. This is someone that's made like millions of dollars online in front of Live Good. That's using and she used Jasper and she makes the shit ton of money a month.
So they have AI that detects AI.
Right.
Oh, right, true.
So, no, seriously,
Yeah.
it
Oh,
recognizes the rhythm and the pattern.
no
So
way.
you have to outsmart the AI with another AI.
Wow.
Sweet.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
I was thinking it doesn't leave a trail. How the hell do they know? But okay.
We'll put swear words in it.
Jasper is
Actually, she does
$49
put
a
swear
month.
words in it. She said because this Gemma that our crown diamond swears. I love to watch her videos because they're fucking funny. Because she swears all the damn time, you know. And she wrote up a thing and said, "Well, add in my swear words
You
because
were gonna
that's how she talks." And that's what it did. It put in the swear words.
you're,
So
You can
we're
also
being
ask
recorded, so I'm not
AI
gonna say
if
what
a
I was gonna say.
paragraph is from AI.
what?
You
What?
can also ask AI if a paragraph has been made by AI and it will
Yep.
tell you.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's the words, and they use certain characters, but you can take something, you can have AI, ChatGPT, Copilot, or whatever to write you something, and you can take and put it in Quillbot and let Quillbot paraphrase it, and then that way it's a different
Yep.
format than AI is, and AI won't connect it.
Yeah.
Quillbot?
Quillbot. Yeah.
Quillbot,
Quillbot's
Q
amazing.
Quilbot.
What's that now?
It's a paraphraser. There's other things too, but I use it as a paraphraser. And what it does is
Thank you.
if you take and put a sentence in there or you can't really do a whole paragraph, a big paragraph, and unless you buy into it. But the free version, you can put sentences at a time and it will rephrase it. And then when it rephrases it, it will also give you options to change the words in the rephrasing.
Yep.
So you can make it sound any way you want. And it uses,
Wow.
easy words, complicated words, simple words, whatever you want. You can change the tone. I think you can change a couple different
Yeah.
versions
It's got
of
a
it,
couple options up there.
couple of options without having to buy the paid version.
Yep.
Hey,
Well, that's pretty cool.
Robert, do you want to share your page you created with all your trending sounds?
Sounds.
Yeah, you put a link in the community. I thought maybe you wanted to boast about it.
I did
Well, is
images.
there anything else on Canva that you guys want to know before I shut it down?
Oh,
I wa- I was fixing to ask you, where is that page at that I need to upgrade? Is it like on one of the newsletters or the campaigns that goes out? The
The
PDF?
It's in the
the
blueprint. It's what you have attached in the blueprint in
Laura,
the email campaigns.
many people didn't get a blueprint. My first website didn't have a blueprint. When my
I
second
still don't. I still don't have a blueprint.
You
still
got
don't.
to add it to it. Like
it,
Stephanie said earlier, you got to upgrade it to your first email.
Yeah.
but it
isn't the
wasn't
blueprint
given to
just the whole program?
No.
but if it
No,
wasn't given to you, then you didn't have it.
If you
There's a
go
link in
and
there that's
search in
got
the
it.
community, put up the top, the
10K in
blueprint,
30 days.
yeah, the
Oh,
10K
that.
30-day PDF, you'll see a very, very basic one. There'll be people that have dropped theirs in there. You can take one of theirs, drag it over to Canva, make your changes. Make sure that you're changing your links that are in it because you want your link in it. Make sure you're changing the disclaimer at the bottom to yours.
And for now,
Yes.
in Kajabi, in the email section, there's an actual PDF there for the very basic one.
Oh,
Yes.
Also, Glenn Summers, if you search for Glenn Summers in the community, he's got a real good one too.
There you
What's
go.
the name?
Glenn
Glenn
Summers.
Summers. Thank you.
A lot of people have been promoting his, or not promoting, but
Is
sharing
it
his, and I think there's only one link in his, but you can put several links in there. I would put a link on every page, on the bottom of every page, saying this is my best money making website that I got, or whatever.
I'd be more than happy to share this one with you.
Yes,
Yeah.
I was just fixing to ask you if you
Yeah,
would share yours with me.
Yeah.
Use
I'd love that.
Yeah.
use Stephanie's got a good template, so you can
Yeah.
build off of it. You can leave it the same and just change your links to yours.
I'm going to leave it the
That'd
same.
be
Leave your
awesome.
name on there too. Say
Thank
my
you.
name is Stephanie.
That's
Yeah,
right.
All right. That's
should.
everybody and Lori, but add Laura in there. We made it together.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I recognize the Stephanie down. I'm using the women's bathroom.
All right. I need to find everybody's email, but go ahead now. If you guys don't have any more questions from Canva, turn it back over.
I
So
was just gonna say on the little images that you got, that you said you can go Google and all that. You can also right click on it and Google image.
Yes.
Google it as an image, and it will find it on the internet for you as well.
Do the reverse image search,
Right.
and it'll find more for you that are like that.
do you know how to do the where they're like if I had a jumping where I'm jumping over some words, I know that's a layer effect, but do you know how to make it look like I'm stepping over the letter C would say?
With Canva, I don't know. With Photoshop, yes.
Oh, okay.
Well,
I can go ahead.
how'd you do that where it looks like they're layered? Is that what you're talking about? Your page there? It looked like they were
In the
layered?
beginning, the
Yeah.
pictures.
Yeah. It looked like they were like one on top of another.
The very first page where it had all those books or
Yeah.
Okay, hold
Did
on.
you do
was-
that in you
was
did
that
all
a
of it in
layer
I
one?
Canva?
did all of this in Canva. So hold on one second.
Okay, let's see again.
That one? That's just an
Yeah.
image. Oh, yeah, that's just layering. These are just a bunch of pictures and they're just layered.
Okay.
So I
So what
sent that to the back and then this is a group. See?
So how do you do group? You just highlight it and say group.
Yep. So, oh, I didn't mean to do that.
You can
So I
put
should just stick my
Just like
email
that.
into your system and steal yours.
Go for it. Or I can just email it to you, Anna.
Yeah, we'll all take it, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'll take it,
So
Steph.
I
Thank you.
highlighted it and then you just group.
You can take
Oh.
that first one and put a little bit of shadow on it and make it 3D.
Yeah.
Very cool. Wow.
So whenever I send that out to customers, where do I put it at then? I put it on one of my first,
Your
Like,
very
like
first
the
one.
Blueprint.
very first one.
Your
You'll
first
see on the
email,
right
and
hand
then-
side, it says to add an attachment.
Yeah, upload.
For your first email, because I stuck one in there. I'm not sure where I got it from even, but I took one from somebody else that had it in the community or something.
Yeah, just the original one had, it had the math from the other stuff from the 600.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I had to update. I had trouble. That was where I was learning my Canva skills.
Yeah,
But
like
that was
Stephanie
fun.
said,
Yeah,
just
I'll take it.
make sure y'all put your links on it. You can change the links
Yeah.
in Canva or whatever, but make sure your links,
Nice.
else you'll be promoting it for somebody else.
Thanks, girls.
And
Oh, it's all
Laura,
good.
I
I'll send them
understand
the
the
stats
sounds. We'll do
page.
the
I don't
sounds
care.
another time.
Let me see if I have it. Steph, if I can grab it.
Oh, sorry. Stop sharing. There we go.